Show me how you load it. Watch that barrel. Safety. Yep. Put you up to the shoulder. 2 sights in the red sight.
I got it.
You did, huh? Unload it. And do another one. Okay. This is Papa's Lil Henry for you. You got it? Safety. Yep. Shoulder. Aim down the sights. Take your time. That was a big gun. Got it? Alright, let's go look. Let's see here. How'd he do on the splattering targets? You got one. You got one there. Down low, but you got these 2. Not too bad. Not as good as mine were. Those are pretty good, weren't they? Yeah. You're not as good a shot as me yet. Someday you will be.